our subscribers would like to get to know us a little bit better.
So they've asked us some questions, and we're going to take this time while we're running some errands to answer them.
Yeah.
The first question is, how do we afford our Airstream life? Andrew?
Well, we're not retired.
No, we're not, and we don't have trust funds. We budget very, very carefully for our ability to live this lifestyle.
We are business owners, and we do online sales through Amazon, through eBay, such like that.
Right, we run an online store and we sell stuff as we wander. So, there you go. That's how we do it. The next question is, why did we pick an Airstream? Well, I know why I picked an Airstream. I had an awesome grandfather. He has passed, but he totally got me into vintage cars and Airstreams and that kind of stuff. And there are a lot of other brands, there are a lot of good brands, but I love Airstreams. I see them on the road and they just make me really happy, and they remind me of really good times with my grandpa. So that's why I love Airstreams. Andrew?
I think you brought up the idea, and at first I was pretty intimidated because I didn't know anything about them, but I get it now.
They're awesome, and they just, I don't know, they just make me smile. Next question. Do you own a house?
We do not. We did own a house, but we sold it. I'm not sure we really liked home ownership.
I know I didn't love home ownership, but we gave it a try because we had never done it before. And I think the expectation was sort of that, oh, well, you've never owned a home, you wouldn't know that you don't want to do that type of thing. So we bought a house, we fixed it up, and then we sold it because it wasn't a good fit.
And now we know.
And now we know. At this time in our lives, we would rather see the world, and our business allows us to do that.
Yeah.
I think we're pretty lucky to have set our life up for being able to do this.
It's a good way to put it, yeah.
Do you make money off your YouTube channel?
No, we do not.
At the time that this is being recorded, we are not monetized yet on the YouTube platform. And in order to unlock that, you have to have 4,000 watch hours in a calendar year and 1,000 subscribers. And we're just not there yet. We love our little community that we're building and our engagement, and we're very grateful for the subscribers that we do have.
Yeah, thank you for subscribing if you're subscribed.
Speaking of which,
if you're
please
not,
like, subscribe, click that notification bell for more projects from Airstream Wheeler.
we like projects.
We really do. The next question is a great follow-up question. Why did you start your YouTube channel? Well, we probably should have started in 2011 when we started working on our first Airstream, but I wasn't brave enough or confident enough then.
But we weren't experts on working on Airstreams then, and we're definitely still not experts.
Not at all.
But there's a level of confidence I have now with the work that we do, and I don't mind showing people a repair that gets messed up or something that doesn't go by the book, because that's all learning. It's all a learning experience, and if I can show somebody and then they're not afraid to do it, you know, I guess I want to encourage people. That's what I want to do. Encourage people to travel, encourage people to work on their things.
Next question. What do we use for camera equipment? We have our action camera for when we go on like family vacations, and we have 2 iPhones, and that's about it.
No specialty microphones, nothing extra like that.
No, nothing. I'm too cheap. I don't want to spend the money on specialty equipment and stuff yet.
Yeah. Our approach really is to share what we do. We do a project, we do some travel, then we share it. And we don't really inject drama. We don't make drama just to film it. We just want to share, this is how you fix this thing, or this is where we went, we thought it was cool. And that's really that's our approach. Yeah,
we don't actually make our projects and stuff are all things that we really do in our real life.
Yeah.
And interestingly enough, we only really show the RVing and Airstream related ones. But this week alone, you have fixed a toilet.
Oh, fixed the frozen pipe in a wall.
The frozen pipe in a wall.
Took a dishwasher apart.
We took the dishwasher apart. I've been aggressively working on a pool pump, and
we may be replacing that pool pump.
We will be replacing that pool pump, I suspect.
You can tell them.
It's not RV stuff. So our channel is travel, Airstreams, and RV repairs. But we repair stuff for everybody in our lives. We help out. We installed a new kitchen for my mom, and
that was fun. I kind of like that.
Yeah, we set up the garage for one of our anchor locations with garage cabinets and that kind of stuff. What other projects have we done lately?
We're project people. We do things.
We do projects for everybody. But the ones that you guys see and the ones that we share with you guys are
Airstream and tow vehicle.
Airstream, tow vehicle, and some travel, because that's what we do. We have a great follow-up question to the equipment question. Has Andrew bought his drone yet?
No.
No, he has not bought a drone yet. I think
I'm afraid
that he could if he wanted to save up for it.
I don't want to break a drone, so I haven't bought a drone, so I won't break it.
Maybe that would be a good thing to do if we monetize the channel. If we ever get successful enough,
it's something to consider.
And get drone footage for our viewers. I don't know. Moving on. So, what is your favorite part of RV life, Andrew?
For me, I think going new places, seeing new places. I think that's really motivating for me. And I really like to kind of discover somewhere and see what it's like, what it's about.
I think for me, I like exploring and learning about the world around me. And I like seeing new places and experiencing new things. Now, sometimes we just end up working behind a computer in a beautiful location because we're adults and that's what that means now for us. But I really enjoy the hiking and the getting out there, and I wish we could do more of that, honestly. But I really like learning about the world around us. I think there's just a lot to explore. So
yeah.
The next question is, what do you do for fun? Well, honestly, the projects are what we do for fun. That's how we choose to spend our leisure time. Sometimes our projects, we end up selling them at the end and make a little bit of money, but most of them are just for fun and a labor of love, really.
Yeah, I'd agree with that. I mean, the other major thing we do for fun is travel. I mean, that's...
we explore and we travel, the hiking and the national parks and the various places that we go. That's how we spend our time. A little bit of Nintendo, some Mario Kart, and so there you go. That's how we have fun. We build and we do projects. Next question. Why did we choose to replace our older Tundra with another Tundra? The easy answer to that question is familiarity. It was an easy, comfortable choice. I also didn't want to have to pay to get like an F-250. Tow vehicles are a pretty controversial topic.
Get anybody excited. We were very happy to have a 25-foot Airstream towed with a light-duty truck. We didn't think we needed an F-250 or a 2500. That said, we work on a lot of stuff. We have a lot of tools, so there's always... we're carrying some extra weight, maybe more weight than the average RVer.
Really, we have to just be mindful of our payload. And we weigh everything. We go through those CAT scales regularly to make sure that the contents of the truck bed and cab are combined with the tongue weight are always within the payload limits. And that actually is probably one of the most difficult tasks we have. As project people, we carry tools and we run our own business, but the Airstream actually carries the eBay store inventory, and interestingly enough, we sell stuff that's really lightweight. So
yeah, that doesn't hurt us too bad.
It doesn't really, affect us very much. But if we were to size up our Airstream, we would need to size up our truck for sure.
Yep.
But for now, this is what we can afford, and this is what we're really happy with. I don't need more space yet.
Well, for the record, we've had a 31 foot,
Oh,
and
we did.
know what that's about, and we know that we wanted a smaller trailer
For this,
to be able to kind of be maneuverable,
Right.
either boondocking where you can get in tight situations, or national park, small campgrounds, and things like that. We're happy with our choice right now. We don't think we need more space.
where when we had our 31 foot,
Yeah.
we didn't fit in a lot of different places that we wanted to go, and we would drag a lot.
Well, remember
So-
that lakefront one where they had like a deep ditch on both sides?
Yeah.
Oh, 25 foot? You could probably get it in there. You got the thing in there with like an audience of people watching. They're like, oh, okay, yeah, see that happening, okay. And it was amazing that, we got a great site.
I get a lot of looky-loos when I'm backing in.
You do.
But
You do.
these are the questions that we've been asked the most frequently. But if you have other burning questions, drop a comment below, and we will do our best to answer them. I think that pretty much covers it, right?
I think so. Those are the basics.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So see you next time. We're about to roll up on our destination, so we got to go anyway. Ready?
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.